Good day everyone, welcome to your second Blogger tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to look at the process of creating your blog. To create your blog, you just basically pass through 3-4 steps. Like I told you in the past tutorial, that Google bought Blogger. Google bought Blogger and converted it to Blogspot. Okay, and then not just buying it, they introduced something called AdSense. Alright, what does AdSense? They also introduced something called AdWords, and eventually you get stuff like AdMob. All these things are from Google. Alright, so when they bought Blogger, they came up with these ideas, but they don't just limit this. They added these things to blog. They don't just limit it to blog. They work on websites too. So AdSense is basically advertisers go to Google. Alright, let me just paint the picture. Okay, so advertisers come to Google, and okay, so since Google owns Blogspot and your blog is in Blogspot, advertisers meet Google and say, hey, we want to advertise, so we are going to pay you X amount of money, and you help us advertise. Since you have so many blogs under your care and so many websites, they pay Google, let's just say $50. Then they put up the advert in their account in Google. So Google comes to your site and with your permission starts advertising, putting up those adverts. Maybe this guy sells shoes and your blog is about fashion. So Google shows up and starts advertising about shoes somewhere at the bottom of your blog or by the side. Alright, so for every time someone clicks on this advert, Google will pay you a portion of the money that the advertisers paid them. So if the advertiser paid Google, let's say $50 at, let's say $1 per click, this advertiser pays Google $50, and it says for every one person that clicks my advert to come to our site, we'll pay Google $1, and at the end we're expecting 50 clicks. Google will come to your site. For every one person that clicks on your site, Google on the advert, Google will pay you, let's just say $0.5 for every one person. Alright, so eventually you and Google get to share this money that the advertiser pays. It's kind of an agreement. It's kind of a deal between you and Google. Alright, but Google is not the one that comes to your site to do the adverts. You actually go to your account on Google. So this advertiser creates something that is called an AdWords account on Google. That's the AdWords here. Then you go to Google and create something that is called an AdSense account. So this advertiser puts money here because it's AdWords. Then you come here and create an AdSense account. Google will give you a code. You copy that code and paste on your site wherever you want the Google ads to start appearing. Alright, then Google will send one of their staff to come and check your blog to make sure that your blog conforms to Google rules and is publishing the right content and not pornography and stuff. Then once your blog is in the right is doing well and working with Google's terms of agreement, Google will start displaying the ad. They just start streaming the ads to your blog. Alright, and you have an account. Every day you can go check your account. You see how many people that clicked on your advert and how much you've made for the day. And that is AdSense. And to tell you the truth, a whole lot of businesses are based on AdSense. A whole lot of money is made from this AdSense. For every country in the world, you have people that are making millions and millions and millions of dollars in AdSense. In other country, there are a whole lot of them that make a whole lot of money from AdSense. Alright, so in the next tutorial, I'll be showing you the process of continuous process of creating this blog. Alright, thank you very much.